Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, you would have noticed that, online shopping or e-commerce is obviously on the up, especially because of COVID. So, and that's the reason why there are many startups which are jumping into the bandwagon of online shopping portals. So I thought I want to talk about the emergence of new era of online shopping, where the platform focuses more on customer experience, or CX as it's coined as. So I want to talk more on that. So I wanted to. I do see that the traditional, I won't say the traditional, the so-called successful online platforms, Amazon and Shopify, and there are many across many countries. Many countries have their own, and they do have a great challenge. They are facing a challenge from these new wannabe e-commerce companies or portals which are starting up, which are offering better customer experience to the customers. Hence, I do feel that the original mainstream e-commerce companies are in kind of trouble if they don't innovate and upgrade themselves. I'm not saying they're not doing, but of course there is an opportunity for these new wannabe startups to really cannibalize their markets. So we're going to talk about all of that today. Before we do that, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and then I can craft out a video based on what you need. And please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, from my knowledge, and from my videos. So without further ado, let's dive in. So as you know, before I start, I talk about my ebook. This ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled 6-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. In this ebook, I've spoken about the time back in 2010 when I quit my 6-figure globetrotting corporate job. I started with my preparation. You know what kind of preparation I took. I then went into the challenges that I faced, and then I've spoken about how I overcame those challenges. And I'm sure a lot of you would be looking to becoming an entrepreneur. And with that in mind, I have put down 3 worksheets in this ebook so that you could gauge your potential and your possibilities, how possibility of becoming successful as an entrepreneur. So you answer certain questions, get points, and you will know where you stand towards the end of the ebook. The cool thing is I scored myself on those 3 worksheets based on my mindset back in 2010, and you would know how much I scored, and you would also know how successful I am today as an entrepreneur with 2 companies, one in Singapore, the other one in India, and representations in the US markets. Now, the greatest thing about this ebook is available to you for totally free of charge. It's available on my website. The URL is flashing on the screen. I'll put down the URL in the description box below. Click on it, go to the page, put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Do give me your honest feedback. Now let's jump into the world of e-commerce and online shopping. So COVID news was a positive news. A lot of you will not agree with me, obviously. So COVID-19 brought so many challenges and bad news to so many people in the world. But COVID-19 pushed online shopping up so fast, it almost launched into orbit, with McKinsey estimating that the market saw 10 years worth of growth in just the first 3 months of the pandemic. That's significant. Customers can pick and choose between a wealth of internet retailers, all competing to undercut one another for the same goods. To be competitive, you can only go so far on price reduction. So e-commerce businesses need to set themselves apart to the quality of their customer experience. The disruption is taking place in CX area or customer experience area by forming the building blocks that create an exceptional overall experience for customers and increase conversion rates for sellers. Now I'm going to talk about the three um, startup online platforms which I think would be very which have great future. So first, let's talk about the shopping platform called Fabric. Fabric is a headless e-commerce platform that is challenging outgrown Shopify Plus, but aren't yet ready for something as large and complex. Fabric is a headless modular API system, making it easy for online sellers to manage stores on multiple channels and scale effortlessly to more access points. So it's a headless e-commerce platform. Headless e-commerce enables every storefront to be managed by the same backend control system, which makes it faster for online sellers to update their product descriptions, but also means that prices, images, inventory levels, and product descriptions are consistent across every channel and touchpoint. Amazon is notorious for capturing the entire sales experience, turning itself into a primary brand and making it difficult for retailers to control customer experience. Shopify is great for small brands, but it doesn't make it easy for businesses to expand past a certain point. With Fabric, e-commerce business can differentiate themselves from omnichannel promotions and seamless. So it can differentiate from omnichannel and seamless cross-channel purchase journeys. So that's a great advantage for Fabric. The second is the shopping experience dialogue. Smaller e-commerce businesses struggle to compete with the personalized experience that Amazon and Walmart use to convert casual browsers into repeat customers. In brick and mortar stores, retailers use sales clerks to guide customers towards the right products and improve their purchase experience. But for most online stores, it is not so. Dialogue uses artificial intelligence and natural language programming to automatically analyze shoppers' behavior in real time and instantly deliver customized recommendations that appeal to each visitor and encourage them to add more items to their virtual cart. The AI engine gives e-commerce small and medium businesses the power to punch above their weight and deliver a tailored, individualized shopping experience that every bit as attractive as that provided by in-store or online assistants. With Dialog, e-commerce retailers can improve the CX or customer experience in-store, removing friction from product discovery and guiding visitors to convert. It integrates smoothly with all the leading e-commerce platforms like Shopify and all, and at least to in their strength. So it allows you to integrate with Shopify, which is a very big thing. Third, startup is the off-site marketing campaign Insider. Today's e-commerce experience don't end when the consumer leaves your site. Seamless online shopping customer experience means uniting your brand messaging across all channels. Insider is an artificial intelligence powered tool that enables online sellers to send relevant, timely, and personalized communications to customers, bringing them back to your store. Insider makes it easy to send personalized messages and push notifications with promotions, abandoned cart reminders, and announcements about price drops and flash sales about the product that interests them the most. With Insider, e-commerce businesses can unite customer data from multiple channels to track individualized customer journeys in real time, developing more relevant, personalized content that appeals to each person. So those are the three startups that I thought would be useful and are relevant. So to summarize, the top e-commerce platforms are delivering great services to the online buyers, but they are really facing challenges from these wannabe startup online retailers, which are providing great customer experience, fantastic online marketing and offsite marketing, and all that could probably differentiate themselves from the heavyweights and in country. Every country has their own e-commerce channels, platforms. So please do look out for these three. And if you are one who's looking to building your own e-commerce website, you may want to use their services. So please do look out for for them. I will also guide you to a video which I did some months ago on how to have the greatest e-commerce solution. I did that video, I think, in April. I'll put that in the link to that video in the card above. Go take a look at it because it will give you a sense on, how you can build an e-commerce business from scratch. What are the elements that you should look at? So if you are one such person who's looking to start your own e-commerce business, that video may be quite useful to you. So thank you very much. Thank you for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Click on it, go to my LinkedIn profile page. Take a look at it. If you like my profile and want to engage with me, you can send me an invite on LinkedIn. I regularly work with clients where I try and solve their business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges. If you're looking to engage with me as a consultant in your company, please drop me a line on LinkedIn or write to me on the contact page of my website. I'll put down the link to the contact page of my website in the description box below. Then we can get into a conference call and see how we can work together, how I can help you. So finally, before I go, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos, and please share my videos. So until next time, stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.